So good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's what we are going to be expecting this week on our gold. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what gold will be giving us for the week. So make sure you stay updated. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, so that once we drop more updates, you will not miss out on the updates. Click on the bell notification also once you subscribe, so you'll be notified immediately. And you can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what market is going to be giving us for the week. Now let's start with our trend. Let's go to our weekly time frame so we will understand what the trend is. Now we need to understand what the trend is. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Now, if you take a look at this, what can you say the trend is on your gold? It is very clear that this is an uptrend move. We can say that gold is in an uptrend move. That is the overall trend, right? The overall picture is an uptrend move, right? But if you take a look at what market is doing currently, market is dropping downward. But we are going to look at that very soon. Now let's take a look at this overall trend. Let's start from here for quick analysis, by the way. If this is the impulsive move, remember within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and higher low, which played out, especially when you go to your 4-hour time frame and your daily time frame, you will see very visible that markets give us a series of higher high and higher low. Then here is the pullback phase. Market was able to push out again to form a new impulsive move, which is a new high that took out this previous high, right? Now here comes the pullback phase. Now market pushed up one more time to form a new high, right? The new high took out this previous high, right? Within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and higher low. Now here comes the pullback phase, corrective phase, right? Now that we've got to this corrective phase, guess what markets give us next? Markets eventually push out to form a new impulsive move, right? So this is the new impulsive move that market did give us. It formed a new impulsive move that took out this previous high. Now here comes the pullback phase. And you can see that this pullback phase came back to our previous higher low level right here. So if we are looking at it in the long run, probably we are looking at it in the perspective of we are looking at it in 4, 5, or 6 months perspective, right? You will see gold push up to give us that bullish move. That is it on the long-term perspective, right? So in the long run, basically, if you would like to hold your position for the next 3 to 5 months, going for your buy and hold your buy position, because in the long run, gold will still push up, right? That is what to be expected. Now, let's drop down to our daily time frame. Now, let's take a look at what this daily time frame is saying. So, if you take a look at this right here, this is some key levels right here that market has come to tap. You can see that there's a period that when market pushed up, right? It rallied up, then it came back to test this level. You see, that is one of the reasons why we had this rejection that made it to bounce up. Now, market has now eventually dropped back to tap this level again. Guess what market is now doing right here? Market is now about to form a double bottom. So it has pushed up, right? It has come back to retest it. So we expect market to push up again, possibly taking out this neckline for good. And once it does that, perfect, you see it continue to push up. So one thing you would want to be looking out for before you're going for the buy or your gold is the confirmation. And what is the confirmation? The confirmation needs to break this neckline. So watch out for it. Market is close to this neckline, by the way. So watch out for what markets will do around this neckline. Once it push up and break the neckline, then that can be a confirmation for you to go for the buy for gold. So because with what we are seeing right now, gold will most likely going to be giving us a bullish move for the week. So be anticipating for a bullish move for the week. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is it right here. So let's see if the forward time frame will give a pullback and then one more push up. So that is what we should be expecting this week. If in case there will be changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, like and share also.